Welcome to our guide to finding the perfect vlogging camera. In today's digital world, vlogging has exploded in popularity, allowing creators to share their experiences, ideas, and creativity with audiences far and wide. But with so many options available, choosing the right camera can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 vlogging cameras of 2025, looking into their features, pros, cons, and everything else you need to make an informed choice. Let's kick things off with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. This camera is specifically designed for content creators and is priced around $898. Manufactured in Japan, the ZV-1 Mark II boasts exceptional video and still image quality, making it a top choice for vloggers who prioritize visual excellence. One of its standout features is the built-in 3-capsule microphone, which captures clear and crisp audio, a crucial aspect of any vlogging setup. The camera also offers ultra-wide zoom capabilities and an intuitive touchscreen control, streamlining the user experience. However, it's important to note that there are a couple of drawbacks. The ZV-1 Mark II lacks a headphone jack, which can be a deal-breaker for serious videographers who want to monitor their audio. Additionally, some users might find the controls a bit too simplified, potentially limiting advanced functions. Moving on, let's discuss the Panasonic Lumix GH7. Typically priced at or above $1,800, it is comparable to other high-end Micro Four Thirds cameras. This Japanese-made device is renowned for its outstanding 4K video capabilities. For those looking to create high-quality content, the GH7 offers remarkable flexibility with video recording options, including up to 6.2K at 30p and 4K at 60p. It performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, and with 7-stop in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, it helps to capture smooth footage, even in challenging environments. However, there are a couple of considerations to keep in mind. The electronic viewfinder may feel somewhat small for some users, and the camera isn't weather-sealed, which could be a concern if you plan to vlog outdoors frequently. Next up, we have the Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Priced below $2,000, this camera is a fantastic option for those seeking versatility. One of its standout features is the built-in fan mechanism, which prevents overheating, allowing for indefinite recording, a major benefit for long vlogs. This camera excels in low-light conditions and offers a robust autofocus system, making it suitable for various shooting scenarios. While it is a more expensive option, the quality and features justify the investment for serious content creators. For those who prioritize portability, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an exceptional choice. Priced at around $519 for the standalone model and $669 for the creator combo, this Chinese-made camera is compact yet powerful. It features a built-in stabilizer, ensuring that your footage remains smooth even while you're on the go. The large, user-friendly screen makes navigating your settings and monitoring your shots a breeze. One of the most appealing aspects of the Osmo Pocket 3 is its ability to shoot in 4K at 120 frames per second, allowing for stunning slow-motion footage. However, be prepared for a notable price increase compared to its predecessor, and keep in mind that it lacks built-in storage, so you'll need to invest in a microSD card to save your footage. Let's now look at the Nikon Z30, a fantastic option for those who appreciate simplicity and functionality. Priced at approximately $607, this camera is made in Japan and offers long recording times of up to 125 minutes, which is a significant advantage for vloggers. The Z30 features a useful vari-angle screen, making it easy to frame your shots from different angles. It's lightweight and high quality, but there are some limitations. Notably, it lacks a viewfinder and a headphone socket, which might be a concern for some users. Additionally, it relies on lens optical image stabilization or electronic stabilization, which may not suit everyone's needs. If you're on a budget, don't overlook the Canon PowerShot Model V10. With a starting price of $349, this camera, which is made in Japan, is designed with vlogging in mind. Its unique design allows for easy one-handed operation, making it perfect for creators on the go. The PowerShot V10 is lightweight and portable, with a wide lens ideal for capturing expansive scenes. However, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. It has significant recording limits in 4K due to overheating, and it relies on digital image stabilization only, which might not provide the same smoothness as other options. Lastly, let's take a look at the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. Priced at about $995, this Australian-made camera is an excellent choice for those looking to achieve a cinematic feel in their vlogs. With high-quality video capabilities, it serves as a fantastic entry point for aspiring filmmakers. However, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K controls may feel slightly oversimplified for those used to more complex settings. As you embark on your quest for the perfect vlogging camera, remember that each of these options caters to different needs and budgets. From the beginner-friendly Nikon Z30 to the more professional-grade Panasonic Lumix S5 II, there's something for everyone. Before making your decision, take the time to weigh the pros and cons of each camera. Consider factors such as video quality, low light performance, stabilization, and additional features like built-in microphones and touchscreen controls. With this comprehensive guide, you're well on your way to finding the ideal camera that resonates with your style and needs. Happy vlogging, and may your journey into content creation be filled with creativity and success. Before you go, check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.